Category A, Objective Criteria, Part 5, whether the teacher is regularly attending the in-service training he is deputed to. Certification from head of the institute for attending in-service trainings and workshops regularly. I have attended many workshops in the past few years organized by SCRT as well as NCRT. Attended workshop orientation of state resource groups on ICT in education and learning from 27 to 31st August 2018 at CIET NCRT New Delhi. Participated in launching of National Repository for Open-End Resources at NCRT Delhi and recorded video lessons for National Repository. Participated in 5-day Master Trainer Development Program on Nai Talim by MHRD. Attended PISA workshop at Government Girls Model Senior Secondary School and learned about making learning of maths fun-loving and interesting. Attended CBSE workshop on maths at DAV 15 by Shri Pramod Kumar TK. Attended Nishtha training at Government High School Sector 50 and learned several interesting activities and teaching methods. I myself conducted several activities at the training. This is the Nishtha certificate. Attended in-service teacher training for 5 days at SCRT. Participated as a member of Joint Resource Group of Punjab and Chandigarh. Contributed in making maths module for classes 9th to 10th, which was distributed amongst more than 1 lakh students of Punjab. Training about Teacher's Handbook on Assessment Tools based on learning outcomes for elementary classes in the subject of maths, that is Phoenix project. Participated in launch and awareness program of Phoenix project at UT Guest House. Participated in PISA workshop at Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 22 and participated in Diksha workshop for content upgradation at SCRT. Participated in science exhibition conducted by CSIR Chandigarh and participated in 5 days training program for key resource persons under RAMSA at Government Girls Model Senior Secondary School Sector 20. Participated in 2 days workshop for maths and science teachers under RAMSA and participated in a Rashtriya Avishkar Abhiyan workshop at Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 35. I also participated in a workshop to prepare book on road safety at SCRT 32 and attended meeting with DSP Traffic at SCRT to get training about traffic rules. I attended workshop to review workbooks of primary classes at Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 19. Attended 10 days in-service training on learning outcomes and enrichment of content to promote learning of maths at Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 33. Attended maths seminar at SCRT and attended meeting on Diksha portal at UT Guest House. Attended seminar for maths teachers at Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 33. Participated in a workshop at SCRT for translating modules of maths in Hindi and English medium under mentoring of UT Chandigarh by Punjab. Participated in a workshop for teachers teaching maths and science under Rashtriya Avishkar Abhiyan organized by Samagra Shiksha Education Department Chandigarh. Participated in seminar at SCRT and participated in a workshop on National Policy on Education at SCRT PSEB Mohali. Participated in 5-day in-service teacher training program under Samagra Shiksha at Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 33. Participated in a special talk on World Mental Health Day at Tagore Theatre, Chandigarh. Professor Jatinder Mohan from Punjab University was the chief orator.